YouTube. How you guys doing? It's your boy Reese back here with another video, as you can freaking see. Guys, as you guys can see behind me, I'm in an abandoned rusty location. You guys know what happened the last time I showed you guys an amazing beast. I'm sure you guys already seen the thumbnail, so yeah, let's just get straight into the car. Let's go. Yeah guys, as you guys can see right behind me, I have the most sexiest G80 M3 competition in South Africa. The reason I'm saying this is because this was the first G80 to have all these carbon extras. The reason I know this, guys, is because when I made the previous video of this exact G80, that was the day all the carbon pieces got fitted on the car. And by that time, there was no other G80 with these carbon pieces. I know it's quite long gone, but guys, I never had time to make videos of this car. But yeah guys, enough about that. I don't think that actually matters because I never posted a video earlier. So yeah, let me just show you guys what's on this car. Let's go. First of all, the main thing that makes this car look amazing is the M4 CSL style grille. Right here you can see, of course, it's in fully exposed carbon fiber, which I feel makes the car look much sexier than it used to. The owner of the car also added a lip that looks incredible. It gives the car a much better look at the bottom, and it also matches up with the grille that's carbon fiber. Of course, in the previous video I showed you the Vossen wheel, which is still on the car, but the main part of this wheel, which I love, is the fitment on the back tire. I'm not sure as to how many of you guys know this, but the front of the car has a 20-inch wheel and the back is actually a 21-inch. I honestly think, guys, this Vossen wheel was made and designed for the G80 M3, guys. look at this, look at this. It's only 2 fingers and it doesn't even touch. The car also has some lovely carbon fiber side skirts. Because why wouldn't you put carbon fiber side skirts on a car like this? Also, another special thing that was added to the car was these carbon fiber backside skirts, I guess. I'm not sure what these called, but it looks incredible. And then of course we got a carbon fiber wing or spoiler or whatever the I'm gonna call this. But now guys, we get to the main part of the car, which I personally feel is the most sexiest part of the car. It's the rear diffuser with big tail pieces done by straight up performance. It's almost the size of my fist. My hand can fit inside. Wow. In the previous video that I made a video of this car, it actually had just a straight pipe on the car. These tail pieces are actually done by straight up performance, of course. They have a better look, and also another thing is this is a Valvetronic system, which means it comes with a remote that you can open and close the valves on the car. I got the keys in my hand. Let me get into the car, give you guys a cold start, and then give you guys some revs, because why not? Let's go. This car is super loud, guys. It's super loud. I did start the car with the valves open. Sorry about that. The key, if you move closer and further, it's gonna unlock and lock. I'll just leave that there. So as I was saying, guys, I did start the car with the valves open, which is why it was so loud. I don't want to rev it more because there's people around and I don't want to get in trouble, of course, because you know how people are in today's time. They just like complaining. But yeah, This was actually the car with the valves closed, guys. In my opinion, I think with the valves closed, the car actually sounds like M3 E46 or something like that, guys. Here's the remote. I'm gonna quickly open the valves and then you guys can hear the difference. Wow! It's so much louder, guys, honestly. Silent. This is an amazing thing. I forgot to mention, guys, I'm sure you guys know this car is done by the 357. I did mention it in the previous video, but let me just put it out there again that this car is done by the 357. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick cinematic of the car because I know you guys like that and enjoy that. I did post the mini cinematic of this car in my YouTube shorts. You guys should check that out. You should also check me out on TikTok and all my social media. Link will be left in the description, so yeah. But anyway, let's just get straight into the cinematic. Let's go. My luck, guys, my luck. I was flying the drone and taking cool cinematics for you guys, and guess what? It's starting to rain again. I don't know why it's always my luck. Whenever I decide to make a video, it starts to rain. It's also very windy today, guys. I'm sure you guys can hear that. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave the link to all my social medias in the description. So yeah, you guys can check it out and you guys can follow me there too. But anyway, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, goodbye.